just want to show you something, right? This is the closest that I have to 832 model before today. So, I got this package from Singapore. Well, it's everyone's favorite bus, TIB832Z. And as we can see, it's the number 37 of 80 pieces produced by Masterpiece Collectibles. On service 187. That was a bit rough there. Yes, you can see the face of the bus now. Let's coax it out slowly. And there we have it, TIB832Z. Thank you very much to the Z for sending me this model. Looks really good. You can see the 187 desto at the back as well. Oh, what's this? This must be the stickers, yes! The stickers. Oh, look, those are really tiny. We're gonna try to have a go at putting those on in a minute, but first, let me just show you the right side of the bus. This will be the angle that you see the bus most often because people like to take pictures from this angle of the real bus. Yeah, look at that. 832Z. Right, let's try to get the stickers on.